At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an NGO, non-governmental organization, requires careful planning, dedication, and a clear understanding of the mission and goals you want to achieve. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Identify the cause. Determine the social or environmental issue you want to address. Research existing NGOs working in that area to understand the gaps and how your organization can contribute effectively. 2. Develop a mission and vision. Clearly articulate the purpose of your NGO. What are your long-term goals, and what impact do you aim to make? 3. Conduct research. Understand the legal requirements and regulations for NGOs in your country or region. Research funding opportunities, potential partners, and beneficiaries. 4. Form a team. Build a team of committed individuals who share your passion and vision. Identify people with diverse skills who can contribute to different aspects of running the organization, such as fundraising, program management, and advocacy. 5. Create a business plan. Outline your NGO structure, programs, target audience, budget, and fundraising strategies. A well-thought-out business plan will help you attract donors and supporters. 6. Register your NGO. Follow the legal procedures to register your organization with the relevant authorities. This might involve choosing a name, drafting bylaws, and obtaining tax-exempt status if applicable. 7. Build partnerships. Collaborate with other organizations, government agencies, and community groups working in similar areas. Partnerships can help amplify your impact and access additional resources. 8. Raise funds. Develop a fundraising strategy that includes diverse sources of income such as grants, donations, events, and corporate sponsorships. Communicate your mission effectively to potential donors and supporters. 9. Implement programs. Start delivering your programs and initiatives according to your mission. Monitor and evaluate your activities to ensure they are effective and making a positive impact. 10. Promote your NGO. Use various communication channels such as social media, website, and traditional media to raise awareness about your organization's work. Engage with stakeholders and share success stories to attract support. 11. Ensure sustainability. Develop strategies to ensure the long-term sustainability of your NGO, including financial planning, capacity building, and succession planning. Starting an NGO requires patience, resilience, and continuous learning. Stay adaptable and open to feedback as you work towards achieving your goals. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.